nose. Kaya sabi ko, marami eh. Sa isang banda. Diba? Kagaya ko po sa totoong buhay, may banda ako for 17 years. So sila, ganun din sa samahan nila. They've been together for a long time. Pero each individual, each character has parang something that they have to go through. So ang Sinagtala ay gabay. Kumbaga, lahat sila humihingi ng hope and guidance sa isa't isa. So it's a story of friendship talaga and hope.
Gaano ka intense pa rin yung gusto mo as an artist, as an actress lang?
Up to there.
Up to there.
Up to there. Like sabi niya, Timothy Chalamet, sabi niya, he's in pursuit of greatness. And that's how I felt that. So I'm like, I'm not done here. And I'm never gonna disappear.
Ganda.
Ay, ito naman. Obvious ba? OG na nga ako. Napapagod na nga rin ako eh. So, napapagod na ako. Alam mo yung ngayon na uso na yung mga pag-video niyo. Girls, nauna ako dyan. Kaya pag meron kayong gusto, i-consult nyo na lang. Actually, alam mo, may reason kung bakit nangyari sa akin tong mga to.
Okay.
Na parang, kasi may mga regrets din ako pagdating dyan. Pero alam mo, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, no, God has a purpose because I learned. And when someone approaches me and they're like, Mona, should I do this? Should I do that? I was like, if I think they don't really need to do it, no. No girl, wag talaga. You'll regret it. Sige ka. So ako talaga, yun pala yung reason.
Yun yung purpose.
Yun pala yung purpose.
Ano yung madalas itanong sa'yo na sinasabi mo, don't touch this. You can touch anything pero wag ito.
Ang tinatanong, ay, saan ka nagpaayos ng nose? Kaya sabi ko, marami eh. But if I can go back to that time when I didn't touch anything, I would go back there. Yeah.
Really?
Opo, tito.
Talaga?
Yeah, pero since I already did it, I'm never gonna stop. No. Tito kasi baka sawa na sila dito sa version ko. 2025 na. 2021 pa nakita nila.
Wait, kung papagawa ka ng isang bagay ngayon, may magagawa ka?
Wala na ako dito. Mas okay na ako. Ay, siguro ito.
Sinagtala.
Sinagtala.
Rapper, lover.
Rapper.
Anime fan, K-pop. Fan.
Anime.
Favorite anime character?
Gojo.
Favorite Korean idol?
Jungkook.
Yes, ready nang magka-boyfriend ulit?
Yes, anytime. Come over.
Sexiest part of your body?
My eyes.
Lights on or lights off?
Off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Anytime. First time to be working with such great talents, such great actors. So it's something to really look forward to and finding hope sa isa't isa. You know, so it's a band. About the band na yun, and they have different struggles and you should abangan ninyo how are they gonna be able to resolve it through the help of each other and through God. Everyone, I'm inviting you to watch Sinagtala this April 2 na po. I hope to see you guys! It would be a superhero movie like one of my favorite anime like Jujutsu Kaisen. So ako si Gojo, siya si Geto. Tapos malalaman namin in the end magkapatid kami. So hindi na mag-aaway, peace na kami, world peace. Ayun. It's always fun to guest here sa Fast Talk kasi fast lang siya. Pero I always look forward to seeing Tito Boy and the kamustahan. I'll see you again next time, okay?